we have completed sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. We will do one more problem on projection rule. Okay. So projection rule, one more last problem I will do it. Then we are going to start another topic. Okay. If in triangle ABC, A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3B by 2. Okay, then the sides ABC, then the sides A, B and C are, first option A, satisfy A plus B is equal to C. Prove that. Before I used to do write prove that. Now you can say that satisfies, you can give one options like that. Okay, so we have successfully completed sine rule and cosine rule, as well as we have completed projection rule also. Even I covered board questions, JEE questions. So let us discuss this question now here. In triangle ABC, A cos square C by 2 plus I think I wrote wrong question, C cos square A by 2. Okay, C cos square A by 2. It's mixed, looks like C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. C cos square A by 2. Okay, so C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Then the sides of A, B and C is what? This is what they are asking. So listen here, what I can write this one is A into, just now I gave the formula. I told you this is very important formula. There is cos square C by 2 can be written as what? Cos square C by 2 can be written as what? Cos square C by 2. 2 cos square C by 2 can be written as 2 cos square C by 2. 1 plus cos C, correct? So what I do here, I send 2 this side. So what I write as 2 cos square C by 2, okay, plus 2C, C into, I am doing here C 2 cross multiplication. So 2 came here, 2 into A into 2 cos square C by 2, C into 2 cos square A by 2, right, and that is equal to 3B you got. Just now I gave the formula. This formula is 1 plus cos C and this formula is 1 plus cos A. I gave the formula and we discussed the previous problems also. So what I am going to get here A, here C. So I am going to get A plus C plus A into C, A cos C plus C into cos A, C cos A. Okay, C cos A I am going to get here. C cos A. Here what I am going to get here, A ones are A into C, A cos C and C ones are C. Here I separated this. C into A, C cos A is equal to, I can write as 3B. Now you know here A plus C is okay. Now here we have A cos C plus C cos A is equal to 3B. Now tell me, A cos C plus C cos A can be written as what? B. Projection rule, B we write. So what I am going to get here, A plus C plus B is equal to 3B. So A plus C is equal to, if I send that side 2B. So A plus C is equal to 2B I got. So the JEE question, see here. What I have done, the 2 I cross multiplied here. So you got the 2 this side. So 2A cos C square A by 2 plus 2C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3B. Cos square C by 2 cos C square A by 2, 1 plus cos C. This is 1 plus cos A. So A plus C separated, A cos C into C cos A, projection rule B. So this is, I am going to get A plus C is equal to 2B and it says that A, B, C are in AP. So option B is the right answer. So from that we have concluded that projection rule we have completed, sine rule we completed, cosine rule we have completed.